Why you should never try to manifest any specific person. You might have seen a lot of videos talking about manifesting a specific person. But I believe that you should never try to manifest any specific person. So, in this episode, I'm going to share my thoughts on why you should never try to manifest any specific person, what are the reasons, and yeah, so without any further delays, let's get into the video. So, why you should never try to manifest any specific person? I believe that when we are aligned with who we really are, when we are aligned with our authentic self, when we are operating from the frequency of self love, when we are operating from the energy of self love, self compassion, kindness, we naturally attract the right person. We naturally attract that true love that we desire. Okay. So I believe that when we are truly aligned with who we really are, when we are truly aligned with our authentic self, when we have healed ourselves from our past trauma, from our past pain experiences, when we have healed ourselves, when we have worked on ourselves, when we are operating from the frequency of self love, we naturally attract the right person in our life. We are not trying to force anyone to love us. We are not trying to force a person to, contact or communicate with us. I've seen a lot of videos talking about, you should do this and this person will contact you. And I was like, so, so I have personally never done this. I have never ever tried to manifest a specific person. And the reason why I have never done this, it's because I believe that, you know, when we are aligned with who we really are, when we have healed ourselves, when we are operating from the frequency of self love, we naturally attract that person, you know. And I am coming to the reasons why you should never done this, okay? The reason number one, when you try to manifest a specific person, you might think that everything is good. Like on the surface, you think that, oh, I'm aligned, I've healed myself, I'm not chasing anyone, I'm not doing anything wrong, I'm just trying to manifest. But in reality, there is something that you lack within yourself that you are not able to understand, because when we are truly, truly in love with who we really are, when we are loving ourselves unconditionally, we never go and try to manifest any person, okay? Because you are not desperate to find love. You are not desperate to attract that person in your life, okay? So, on the surface, you think that everything is fine. I've healed myself, all good, all good. But there is something that you are not able to see, and this is why you are consciously or unconsciously trying to manifest that specific person, okay? So the reason number one, you should never try to manifest any specific person is, you might think that you are in alignment, but you are not in alignment, okay? You might be lacking self love, or maybe you have some other blockages like codependency issues or anything. It could be anything, okay? A person, a person who is really, like, really practicing self love, who is in love with themselves, and you know they are happy and content with their life, and they will not be desperate. They will not be desperate to find or attract love. They will not be desperate to get any person in their life, okay? So whenever you are trying to manifest any specific person, whether you believe it or not, there is a lack of self love. There is something that you are not able to understand about yourself consciously, unconsciously. There's some kind of blockage. For example, it can be codependency issues, it can be lack of self worth, it can be lack of like self love issues, or it can be, out of loneliness. Yes, a lot of people, they can't be, when they are feeling very lonely, they try to chase love, they try to manifest love, okay? They try to fill that gap. So I believe that when you are truly in love with yourself, when you are actually practicing self love, when you are focusing on yourself, when you are very happy and content with your life, you will not be desperate to find or attract love. Yes, you will be open to love. You will be open to love, but you will not be desperate. So, whenever you are trying to manifest any specific person, dive deep in your inner world and try to see, is there something that you are missing out? Because if you're really, really in love with yourself, if you're really operating from the frequency of self love, self growth, self compassion, you will never do this. You will never go out and try to manifest any specific person, whether you believe it or not. uh, it's one kind of chasing, like you are trying to chase, you are trying to force, okay? When we manifest our goals or desires, or any materialistic things that we desire, it's a different thing. But here we are talking about love, okay? Here we are talking about love, and love is something that cannot be forced. It's a beautiful emotion. If two people are on the same page and feeling that same, feeling the same way, it's love, okay? So love is something that cannot be forced. And this is why I never believe in this concept of manifesting any specific person. And this is why I have never done this. I believe that when two people are, if two people are aligned with each other, energetically, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, intellectually, they will come together no matter what. Okay, they will come together no matter what. Their energy will will attract each other, like draw. So you don't need to really go out and manifest any specific person, because if two people are really meant to be together, if their energy, if their energy are aligned with each other, if their purpose, like if their purpose are like aligned with each other, anyway they are going to come together no matter what. So on the surface you might think that I love myself, everything is fine, but no. If you really love yourself, you will never go out and try to manifest any specific person. So look into yourself, dive deep into your inner world, and you will definitely get all the answers. There is another reason why I believe that we should never try to manifest any specific person. Sometimes we think that this person is right for me, but they may or may not be the right person for you. And I believe that if you're really aligned with universe energies, universe will give you sign, universe will give you that guidance that, you know, are you sure you really want to manifest this? You know, sometimes, like whether we realize or not, consciously or unconsciously, we are always attracting and manifesting something, okay? So if you're really truly aligned with universe energies, universe will give you signs, universe will give you guidance. That are you sure you like you do you really want to manifest this? And if you're really connected with God, if you are connected with divine, whoever you believe, they will never let you manifest any wrong person in your life, okay? This is important. If you are really connected with God, universe, they will never allow any wrong person in your life. They will try to give you signs, warnings, or they will give you guidance that, or they will try to teach you lessons if you are doing anything wrong, if you're not able to understand. They will try to teach you lessons, but they will never allow any wrong person in your life, okay? So sometimes we think that this person is right for us. On the surface, everything looks good, but that might be something that you are not able to understand. And so a person may or may not be the one for you. So you should never, just try to force anything. You should never try to manifest, go and manifest any specific person, okay? Just just balance your energies and come into that alignment, and you will naturally attract the right person. And if that person is really really right for you, you will definitely attract that person in your life, okay? But you don't need to go and force and try to manifest them, okay? Because a person may or may not be the one for you, okay? So before you go and before you go and manifest any specific person, ask for guidance from universe. Ask for guidance from God, okay? That please God, guide me, okay? I always believe in prayers and really connecting with God, and like before doing anything important. So before you go and try to manifest any specific person, ask for guidance from God, from universe, and they will definitely give you signs, warnings if needed, and they will definitely give you guidance, okay? Because that person may or may not be the one for you, okay? So I I believe that whenever a person like try to go and manifest any specific person, there is something that they need to work on themselves, that they are not able to understand. It can be uh, any trauma, pain, blockages, uh, anything. It can be anything. So this happens. This usually happens. Like you are going out and trying to manifest a specific person because you are not in alignment, or there's something. It can be you need healing, you feel lonely, you feel depressed, or uh, that could be codependency issues, or you are running out of patience, you are losing your patience, anything, because I believe that a balanced person who is in like alignment with who they are, with their authentic self, who is trying to love themselves, will never go out and try to manifest any specific person. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all I have for this episode. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.